everyone, welcome back to Freshly Smooth. Today we're making another smoothie recipe. And for this smoothie, we will need only 3 ingredients. Our first ingredient is 1 fresh peach. Peach is not only juicy and delicious but also offer several health benefits. They contain vitamin A and C, which are important for immune function and skin health. Peaches are also rich in fiber and antioxidants. 1 cup of frozen bananas. Those provide a creamy texture and natural sweetness to our smoothie bowl. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, vitamin B6, dietary fiber, and antioxidants, which support heart health, digestion, and overall well-being. 1 cup of frozen green grapes. Grapes are a wonderful addition to any smoothie. They are a good source of vitamin C and K, as well as antioxidants. Grapes also contain hydrating properties and promote healthy digestion. 1 teaspoon of pink pitaya powder. Pink pitaya, also known as dragon fruit, it's a tropical fruit that adds a vibrant pink color to our smoothie bowl. It's loaded with essential nutrients including vitamin C, iron, and magnesium. Pink pitaya is known for its antioxidant properties and may aid in digestion and immune support. Now it's time for the final touch. Let's add some fresh peach and strawberry slices, along with a sprinkle of blueberries for an extra burst of flavor. And there you have it, a thick smoothie bowl packed with incredible health benefits. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for a thick smoothie bowl. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy!